Hello everyone, welcome to Math for You. How to solve square root of 13 times 31 times 32 times 33 plus 1. Square root of 13 times 31 times 32 times 33 plus 1 equals square root of 13 times 31 is 30 plus 1 bracket times bracket 30 plus 2 times 30 plus 3 plus 1. Now 30 is common, so we let x is 30. So our equation will be x times x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3 plus 1. Then equals square root of x times this x plus 3 bracket times this and this x plus 1 times x plus 2 bracket plus 1. It will be equal to square root of x times x equals x squared plus 3x, then times x is x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2 bracket plus 1 equals square root of bracket x squared plus 3x bracket x squared 2x plus x is 3x plus 2 plus 1. Now x squared plus 3x is common, so we let x squared plus 3x equals y. Then this will be equal to square root of y times y plus 2 bracket plus 1. Then will be equal to square root of y times y is y squared plus y times 2 is 2y, then plus 1 equals square root of y squared plus 2y plus 1 is same as y plus 1 bracket squared. Then we'll cancel this, so to be equal to y plus 1. And in here, we let y equals x squared plus 3x. From x squared plus 3x equals y. So y plus 1 equals x squared plus 3x plus 1. Then in here, we let x equals 30. So equals 30 squared plus 3 times 30 plus 1 equals 30 squared is 900 plus 3 times 30 is 90 plus 1 equals 991. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone. Find all the 4 roots of x to the power 4 minus 25 is equal to 0. So first, x to the power 4 into square is x square bracket square minus 25 into square is 5 square is equal to 0. Now this equation is in the perfect square, so we'll apply this ruler. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b bracket times a minus b. So it will be x square plus 5 bracket times x square minus 5 is equal to 0. We have 2 cases where this one, x square plus 5 is equal to 0. And another case, x square minus 5 is equal to 0. Then to solve from this equation, 5 take to the right side, so to be x square is equal to negative 5. Then we apply square root in both sides. So this square root will cancel this square. Then x is equal to square root of 5 times square root of negative 1. So x is equal to plus or minus square root of 5, and square root of negative 1 is I. So from here we have 2 values of x. X is equal to square root of 5 I, and x is equal to negative square root of 5 I. And so from here, negative 5 take to the right side, so x square is equal to 5. Then x is equal to plus or minus square root of 5. So from here, we have 2 values of x. X is equal to square root of 5, and x is equal to negative square root of 5. So these are all the roots of x from our equation. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Math4U. How to solve x over 5 equals x. To find the value of x. X over 5 equals x. We take this to the left side, so s minus x times 1 equals 0. Then x over 5 minus x 1 is same as 5 over 5 equals 0. It will be x over 5 minus x times 5 is 5x, then divided by 5 equals 0. It will be x minus 5x divided by 5 equals 0. Then we multiply by 5 in both sides, and this will cancel with this. So x minus 5x equals negative 4x equals 0 times 5 is 0. So x equals 0. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Math for You. How to solve x cubic plus x equals 30 to find the value of x. X cubic plus x. We take this to the left side. Minus 30 equals 0. In here, negative 30 is same as negative 27 minus 3. So it means x cubic plus x minus 27 minus 3 equals 0. X cubic negative 27 is same as 3 cubic, so minus 27 plus x minus 3 equals 0. It means x cubic minus 3 cubic plus x minus 3 equals 0. Now we will apply cubic rule that a cubic minus b cubic, it will be equal to a minus b bracket times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So to be x minus 3 bracket times x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared bracket plus x minus 3 equals 0. Now, x minus 3 is common, so we can take x minus 3 out of the bracket times x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared is equal to 9 plus this 1 is equal to 0. Then we have two cases, which is x minus 3 equals 0. And another case is x squared plus 3x plus 10 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. X equals 3. And in here, we know x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. A equals 1, b equals 3, and c equals 10. So x equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of b squared is 3 squared minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 10, divided by 2 times 1. X equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared equals 9 minus 4 times 1 times 10 equals 40 over 2. X equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 40 is negative 31 divided by 2. X equals negative 3 plus or minus this square root of negative 31 is same as square root of 31 times square root of negative 1, and square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So in here, plus or minus square root of 31 over 2. So x equals 3, or x equals negative 3 plus square root of 31 I over 2, or x equals negative 3 minus square root of 31 I over 2. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello, welcome to Maths4U. How to solve x to the power 6 minus x cubic is equal to 2. To find the value of x, our equation will be x to the power 6 minus x cubic. We take this to the left side. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Now from here, we apply exponential ruler that a to the power m bracket to the power n is equal to a to the power. We multiply the powers is m n is equal to a to the power n bracket to the power m. So it will be x cubic bracket square minus x cubic minus 2 is equal to 0. Now in here, x cubic is common, so we let x cubic is equal to y. So it will be y square minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now to factorize this quadratic equation, negative 2. Negative 2 is same as negative 2 times 1 is equal to negative 2. And negative 2 plus negative 2y plus y is equal to negative y. So it will be y minus 2 bracket times y plus 1 bracket is equal to 0. Then we have two cases where this one is y minus 2. Y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2. Remember that before we let 3 cubic is equal to y. It means x cubic is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 to the power 1 over 3. And another case is y plus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to negative 1. It means x cubic is equal to negative 1. Now, x cubic plus 1 is equal to 0. 1 is same as 1 cubic. Then we apply a formula that a cubic plus b cubic is equal to a plus b bracket times a square minus a b plus b square bracket. X plus 1 bracket times x square minus x plus 1 bracket is equal to 0. X plus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to -1. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation where ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In here, the value of a is equal to 1. The value of b is equal to -1. And c is 1. Now, to find the value of x from our formula, x is equal to -b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2 times a. X is equal to b is -1, so -b is 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 over 2. Then x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of -3 over 2. Then square root of -3 is same as square root 3 times square root of -1. And we know square root of -1 is equal to imaginary. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 3 imaginary over 2. Therefore, our answers from x is equal to 2 to the power 1 over 3. And x is equal to -1 and is equal to 1 plus square root of 3 imaginary over 2 and is equal to 1 minus square root of 3 imaginary over 2. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Maths4U. How to solve 53x plus 47y is equal to 2. 47x plus 53y is equal to 8. To find the value of x and y. Now first, we let this equation 1 and this equation 2. Now, we let equation 1 plus equation 2. 53x plus 47y plus 47x plus 53y is equal to 2 plus 8. 53x plus 47x equals 100x plus 47y plus 53y equals 100y is equal to 2 plus 8 is 10. We divide it by 10 in both sides. It will be 10x plus 10y is equal to 1. We let this equation 3. Now we let equation 2 minus equation 1. 47x plus 53y minus 53x minus 47y is equal to 8 minus 2. This minus this equals 6y. And this minus this equals negative 6x is equal to 8 minus 2 equals 6. Now we divide it by 6 in both sides. It will be y minus x equals 1. We let this equation 4. Now we let equation 4 multiply by 10, then plus equation 3. 10 times y minus x equals 10. And equation 3 is 10x plus 10y is equal to 1. This times this is 10y minus this times this is 10x plus this 10x plus 10y is equal to 11. Now this will cancel with this, so it will be 20y is equal to 11. So y is equal to 11 over 20. Now we let equation 4 multiply by 10 minus equation 3. It will be 10y minus 10x equals 10 minus 10x plus 10y equals 1. Now this will cancel with this, so it will be negative 20x equals 10 minus y is 9. So x is equal to negative 9 over 20. Now to check, 53x plus 47y is equal to 2. It will be 53 times x equals negative 9 over 20 bracket plus 47 times y equals 11 over 20. 11 over 20. It will be equal to negative 53 times 9 equals 477 over 20 plus this times this. 47 times 11 is equal to 517 over 20. It will be equal to this minus this equals 40 over 20. We simplify, is equal to 2. Now equation 2. 47x plus 53y equals 8. It will be 47 times negative 9 over 12 bracket plus 53 times 11 over 20. It will be equal to negative 47 times 9 is equal to 423 over 20 plus 583 over 20. It will be equal to this minus this is equal to 160 over 20 equals 8. Right. So x equals negative 9 over 20. Y is equal to 11 over 20 is the final answer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Math for You. How to solve square root of 30 to the power of 4 minus 20 to the power of 4 minus 10 to the power of 4 equals 30 is same as 10 times 3 bracket to the power of 4 minus 20 is same as 10 times 2 bracket to the power of 4 minus 10 to the power of 4 equals, we open the bracket, 10 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 4 minus 10 to the power of 4 times 2 to the power of 4 minus 10 to the power of 4. Now, 10 to the power of 4 is common. So, it will be equal to square root of, we take this out of the bracket, 10 to the power of 4 bracket 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 4 minus this is 1 equals square root of 10 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 4 is 81 minus 2 to the power of 4 is 16 minus 1. It will be equal to square root of 10 to the power of 4 times 81 minus 16 minus 1 is equal to 64 equals 10 to the power of 4 is same as 10 squared bracket to the power of 2 times square root of 64 is same as 8 squared. And this will cancel with this. This will cancel with this. So, equals 10 squared times 8. 10 squared equals 100 times 8. So, the final answer is 800. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone. Welcome to Math for You. How to solve 13/6 to the power of x minus 12 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of x. To find the value of x, 13/6 to the power of x minus 12 to the power of x equals 4 to the power of x. We divide it by 4 to the power of x in both sides. Divided by 4 to the power of x. So here is 1 and here is 1. Then we apply the formula that a to the power of n over b to the power of n equals a over b bracket to the power of n. So here is 13/6 divided by 4 bracket to the power of x minus 12 divided by 4 bracket to the power of x equals 1. 13/6 is same as 6 square. Divided by 4 is same as 2 square. Bracket to the power of x minus 12 divided by 4 is 3 to the power of x equals 1. Now we apply this formula, so it will be 6 divided by 2 bracket to the power of 2 bracket to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x equals 1. Then we apply the formula that a to the power of m bracket to the power of n equals a to the power of m equals a to the power of n bracket to the power of m. So here is 6 divided by 2 is 3 to the power of x bracket squared minus 3 to the power of x equals 1. Now 3 to the power of x is common, so we let 3 to the power of x equals t. So our equation will be t squared minus t equals 1. Then we take this to the left side. So t squared minus t minus 1 equals 0. And we know t equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2a. Now in here, a is 1, b is negative 1, and c is negative 1. So t equals negative b. b is negative 1, so is 1 plus or minus square root of b squared is negative 1 bracket to the power of 2 minus 4 times a is 1 times c is negative 1 divided by 2 times a is 1. So t equals 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 squared equals 1 minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 equals negative 4. So minus negative 4 is plus 4 divided by 2. Now we have two cases that t equals 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and another case is t equals 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. At the beginning, we let 3 to the power of x equals t, so it means 3 to the power of x equals 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Then the left side is greater than 0, but the right side is less than 0. So this answer is rejected. Now we look this. 3 to the power of x equals 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now we apply the log rule that log 3 to the power of x base is 3 equals log 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 base is 3. Then we apply the formula that log a base b equals a times log b. So here we can take this and front. So x times log 3 base 3 equals log 1 plus square root of 5 over 2 base 3. Then this, we know log a base a equals 1. So here x equals log 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 base 3. Now we have another formula that log a base b equals log a base m divided by log b base m. So this will be x equals log 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2 divided by log 3. And this part log a divided by b equals log a minus log b. So x equals log 1 plus square root of 5 bracket minus log 2 divided by log 3. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Math4U. How to solve x minus 2022 times x minus 2023 equals 6 to find the value of x. So first, we let x minus 2022 equals t. So our equation will be t times bracket t minus 1 equals 6, because this is same as x minus 2022 minus 1. Now this is t, so here is t minus 1. Now we open the bracket. T times t is t squared minus t times 1 is t equals 6. Now we take this to the left side. T squared minus t minus 6 equals 0. Then negative 6. Negative 6 is same as negative 3 times 2. And negative t is same as negative 3t plus 2t. So t minus 3 bracket times t plus 2 equals 0. T t minus 3 equals 0. T equals 3. Because we let x minus 2022 equals t. Now t equals 3, so x minus 2022 equals 3. So x equals 3 plus 2022. X equals 2025. And t plus 2 equals 0. Then t equals negative 2. X minus 2022 equals negative 2. So x equals negative 2 plus 2022. So x equals 2020. Now to check. The first, when the value of x equals 2025, x minus 2022 bracket times x minus 2023 equals 2025 minus 2022 bracket 2025 minus 2023 equals 3 times 2 equals 6. The second, when the value of x equals 2020, then x minus 2022 bracket times x minus 2023 equals 2020 minus 2022 times 2020 minus 2023 equals negative 2 times negative 3 equals 6. So the value of x equals 2025 or x equals 2020. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Math for You. How to solve x minus 9 bracket to the power of 4 equals x to the power of 4. And to find the value of x, first we take this to the left side, so x minus 9 bracket to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 4 equals 0. Then x minus 9 bracket to the power of 4 is same as squared bracket squared minus x to the power of 4 is same as x squared bracket to the power of 2 equals 0. We know a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 equals a plus b bracket times a minus b. In here, a is x minus 9 bracket squared and b is x squared. Now our equation can be written as x minus 9 bracket squared plus x squared times x minus 9 bracket squared, then minus x squared equals 0. Now we open the bracket, so x squared minus 18x plus 81, then plus x squared. Then times here, x squared minus 18x plus 81 minus x squared equals 0. 2x squared minus 18x plus 81 bracket times x squared minus x squared is 0. So negative 18x plus 81 equals 0. Now we have two cases. First, 81 minus 18x equals 0. Another case is 2x squared minus 18x plus 81 equals 0. Now in here, negative 18x equals negative 81. It means 18x equals 81. So x equals 81 over 18. So this divided by 9 by 9. And this divided by 9 by 2. So x equals 9 over 2. And in here, we apply the formula that x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. And in here, a is 2, b is negative 18, and c is 81. So x equals negative b. b is negative 18. So negative b is 18 plus or minus square root of b squared is negative 18 bracket squared minus 4 times 2 times 81. Then divided by 2a. a is 2, so 2 times 2. So x equals 18 plus or minus square root of 324 minus 648 divided by 2 times 2 is 4. So x equals 18 plus or minus square root of negative 324 divided by 4. So x equals 18 plus or minus square root of, this part can be written as square root of 324 times square root of negative 1 divided by 4. Then in here, square root of negative 1, we know square root of negative 1 equals I. So to be x equals 18 plus or minus square root of 324 equals 18. Then I divided by 4. Then 18 divided by 2 by 9. And 4 divided by 2 by 2. So x1 equals 9 over 2. And x2 is 9 plus 9i over 2. And x3 is 9 minus 9i over 2. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Math for You. How to solve 35 to the power of 24 divided by 5 to the power of 12. It will be equal to 35 is same as 7 times 5 bracket to the power of 24 divided by 5 to the power of 12. It will be equal to, we take this into the bracket, 7 to the power of 24 times 5 to the power of 24 over 5 to the power of 12. It will be equal to 7 to the power of 24 times 5 to the power 24 over 5 to the power of 12. It will be equal to 7 to the power of 24 times, in this part, 5 is common, so we'll apply the formula that a to the power m over a to the power m is equal to a to the power of m minus m. So in here, 5 to the power of 24 minus 12 equals 7 to the power 24 times 5 to the power 12 equals 24 is same as 12 plus 12 times 5 to the power of 12. And we know a to the power m times a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. So here is equal to 7 to the power of 12 times 7 to the power of 12, then times 5 to the power of 12. It will be equal to 7 times 7 times 5 bracket to the power of 12 equals 7 times 7 times 5 is equal to 245 to the power of 12. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone. How to solve AB is equal to 30, BC is equal to 60, AC is equal to 90. Then what is A squared plus B squared plus C squared? Step 1. From AB is equal to 30. BC is equal to 60. AC is equal to 90. Now here we multiply by C in both sides. So it will be ABC is equal to 30C. And here we multiply by A in both sides. So it will be ABC is equal to 16A. And here we multiply by B in both sides. So it will be ABC is equal to 19B. Now here is ABC, here's ABC, is ABC. So there are values of ABC are equal. 60A is equal to 19B is equal to 30C. Then to simplify, we divide by 360 in both sides. It's cancelled. So it will be here by 1, here by 6, and here by 1, here by 4, and here is 1, hereby 12. So it will be A over 6 is equal to B over 4 is equal to C over 12. So this all is equal to K. K is constant. Then if K is constant, it will be A over 6 is equal to K, and B over 4 is equal to K, and C over 12 is equal to K. So it will be A is equal to 6K, and here B is equal to 4K, and here C is equal to 12K. Now we got the value for A, B, and C in terms of K, which is constant. Then step 2, we are going to find the value for K squared. So from A, B is equal to 30, we know the value of A and B. A is 6K and B is 4K is equal to 30. Then to multiply here, it will be 24K squared is equal to 30. Then divide by 24 in both sides. Then to simplify here, by 6 is 5, by 6 is 4. So K squared is equal to 5 over 4. Now in the final step is step 3. To find the value of A squared plus B squared plus C squared to be equal to A squared, we know the value for A is 6K bracket square plus B is 4K brackets square plus C is 12K brackets square. Then this will be equal to 36K square plus 16K square plus 144K square is equal to 36 plus 16 plus 144 is 196K square. Now we know the value for K square. K square is equal to 5 over 4. So it will be 196 times K square is 5 over 4. So here it will be equal to, simplify here by 4 is 49. Here is 49 times 5 is equal to 245. Therefore, this is the answer for the value of A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Math for You. How to solve 5 to the power of x over 6 to the power of x equals 4 over 3 to the power of x. To find the value of x, First, the left side, we have same powers, so we apply the formula that a to the power of n over b to the power of n equals a over b bracket to the power of n. So to be 5 over 6 bracket to the power of x equals 4 over 3 to the power of x. Now we times 3 to the power of x in both sides. And this will cancel with this. And in here, we have some powers. A to the power of n times b to the power of n equals a times b bracket to the power of n. So to be 3 times 5 over 6 bracket to the power of x equals 4. Now we divide it by 3 by 1, and this we divide it by 3 by 2. So to be 5 over 2 bracket to the power of x equals 4. Now we apply ln rule in both sides. In this part, ln a to the power of b equals b times ln a. So we change the position. X times ln 5 over 2 equals ln 4. X equals ln 4 divided by ln 5 over 2. We know ln a over b equals ln a minus ln b. So this is same as x equals ln 4 over ln 5 minus ln 2. So this is the final answer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Math for You. How to solve x plus 7 factorial over x plus 3 factorial equals 5040. Then to find the value of x. So first, in the numerator, it's same as x plus 7 times x plus 6 times x plus 5 times x plus 4 times x plus 3 factorial over x plus 3 factorial equals 5040. Then we simplify. This will cancel with this. So x plus 7 times x plus 6 times x plus 5 times x plus 4 equals 5040. Then x plus 7 times x plus 4 bracket times x plus 6 times x plus 5 equals 5040. Now we open the bracket. So x times x is x squared plus 4x plus 7x plus 7 times 4 is 28 bracket. Then times x squared plus 5 x plus 6x plus 30 equals 5040. Then x squared plus 4x plus 7x equals 11x plus 28 times x squared plus 11x plus 30 equals 5040. The next step, x squared plus 11x plus 28 is same as 29 minus 1 bracket times x squared plus 11x plus 30 is same as 29 plus 1 equals 5040. Now, this part is common, so we let x squared plus 11x plus 29 equals t. So our equation can be written as t minus 1 bracket times t plus 1 equals 5040. Okay, we know a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. So we change into this form. So it is t squared minus 1 equals 5040. Then we take this to the right side. So t squared equals 5040 plus 1. So t squared equals 5041. Then we apply square root in both sides. So this square root will cancel the square. So t equals plus or minus 71. In here, we let x squared plus 11x plus 29 equals t. Now t is plus or minus 71. Okay, from x squared plus 11x plus 29 equals t. Now t equals plus or minus 71. So we have two cases, which is the first one, x squared plus 11x plus 29 equals 71. And another case is x squared plus 11x plus 29 equals negative 71. So x squared plus 11x equals, we take this to the right side. So 71 minus 29. So x squared plus 11x equals 42. Now we take this to the left side. So x squared plus 11x minus 42 equals 0. 11x, 11 is same as 14 minus 3. So here can be written as x squared plus 14x minus 3x minus 42 equals 0. In this part, x is common, so we take x out of the bracket. So x times x plus 40 minus, in this part, 3 is common, so 3 times x minus 14 equals 0. Now we can take x plus 14 out of the bracket. then times x minus 3 equals 0. So x plus 14 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. X plus 14 equals 0, so x equals negative 14. X minus 3 equals 0, so x equals 3. The next step in here, x squared plus 11x equals negative 71 minus 29. Then x squared plus 11x equals negative 100. Then we take this to the left side. So x squared plus 11x plus 100 equals 0. Now from discriminant formula is equal to b squared minus 4ac, so equals 11 squared minus 4 times a is 1, times c is 100. 11 squared equals 121, minus 4 times 1 times 100 is 400. The value is less than 0, so we don't have a real solution. So this solution will reject it, because our equation is x plus 7 factorial over x plus 3 factorial. Then from denominator, the value should be greater or equals 0. It means x plus 3 factorial should be greater than or equals 0. It means x plus 3 is greater than or equals 0. So x greater than or equals negative 3. So this value will reject it. So x equals 3 is the final answer. Now we check x plus 7 factorial over x plus 3 factorial equals 5040. The value of x is 3, so 3 plus 7 factorial over 3 plus 3 factorial equals 10 factorial over 6 factorial. 10 factorial is same as 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial over 6 factorial. We simplify, so to be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 equals 90 times 56 equals 5040. So x equals 3. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.